Hello, students of 10th class. Good morning. आज 22 तारीख में हम आपको डी ई एंड एफ कंप्रीहेंशन कराएंगे। डी ई एफ। डी है इट वॉज इम्पॉसिबल फॉर हिम डैश डैश काउंटेड द मनी। फर्स्ट राइट द टाइटल ऑफ द लेसन फ्रॉम विच द above noted passages have been taken. Who is the author of this lesson? Title of the lesson. The title of the lesson from which the above noted passages have been taken is A Letter to God. And the author of this lesson is G.L. Fuentes. Second question, who was collecting 100 pesos and why? The postmaster. हु की जगह पर आपको पोस्ट मास्टर लगाना है। द पोस्ट मास्टर वॉज कलेक्टिंग 100 पीसोस एंड वाई। एंड वाई, वाई का मतलब है क्यों। बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड टू मेक हिज फेथ थर्ड क्वेश्चन है हाउ मच मनी वाज पुट इन द एनवलप। $70 pesos was put in the envelope. Whom was the envelope addressed to? The envelope addressed to Lancho. Number 4 है why did Lancho go to the post office the next day? What happened there? Why was he angry? Lancho went to the post office the next day to have his money what happened there? When he got a letter from God and opened it, he counted the money. He was very angry to counting the money because it was less than he wanted. नंबर 5 है फाइंड आउट द वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द पैसेज विच हैव द फॉलोइंग मीनिंग्स। फेथ डिलीवर्ड। फेथ का मीनिंग है बिलीफ, BELIEF DISLIEF, B है delivered, discharged, DISCHARGED, discharged. Number E, Lancho showed not the dash 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 bunch of crooks. Lancho, write the name of the lesson from which the passage has been selected. Who is its author? The name of the lesson from which the passage has been selected is a letter to God. Who is its author? Its author is G.L. Fuentes. Number 2, why did Lancho not show any surprise when he found the money in the letter? Lancho did not show any surprise when he found the money in the letter because he was very determined. He put his faith in God. F E के बाद F आता है. So in order to seek dash dash world as a signature God, write the name of the lesson from which the above passage has been taken. The name of the lesson from which the above passage has been taken is a letter to God. The author is of this lesson the G.L. Fuentes. What did the postmaster do in order to seek the writer's faith in God? The postmaster did in favor of Lancho. He wanted to make his faith determined in God. So, doing he collected the money from his employees and he gave the money from his own salary, but he did not do 100 pesos. He collected the money in total less than 100 pesos in order to seek the writer's faith in God. Thank you, students. आज ये आप इसको समझेंगे और यहीं से आगे कल आपको कराया जाएगा।